Hi everyone, I'm Artur from abapblog.com. Today I will tell you how create message class. For example, in SE80 message classes, create, name, OK, save. We created message class. Now we create our first message, 000 message. Sometimes use like this. In this case, message text you get from parameters, or for example this. Save, and I will show you how you can use these messages to these short examples. Check result, this, and how you can see this without space, because for example in this case this space, this no, and second like number 1, number from parameter. More about types messages, about display types, parameters and other properties I will tell you in next videos. Thank you, like, subscribe, bye.